checking you out over there, girl.
Where?
You better go dance with him.
What?
You may not get another chance.
I wanna dance with you all night. I wanna dance with you right now. I wanna dance with you if it's the last thing I ever do. Girls' night out, looking for a party. We ain't had no fun in a while. Stepped in the club with a few of the hotties. All the guys digging our style. Grab a drink, take a sip. Woo. Gotta unwind, don't trip. Turn around and what do I spy? I got so fine looking at my shoes, bag, legs, smooth outfit, swag, attitude, spicy. I might try to bite him. I hope he bites back and I'll be like, ooh, I like that. Yeah, gotta have fun tonight. Right? He looks like a good time.
Nice.
Only thing on my mind, right now is
What?
me and him,
Oh, yeah?
face to face,
Where?
on this floor,
Doing what?
dancing.
Excuse me. I couldn't help but notice you were checking me out over there.
Yeah, and?
You wanna dance?
Hell yeah.
I wanna dance with you all night. I wanna dance with you right now. I wanna dance with you if it's the last thing I ever do. I wanna dance with you all night. I wanna dance with you right now. I wanna dance with you if it's the last thing I ever do.
You like the way I take it down like that?
Don't you, don't you, don't you, uh-huh.
You like the way I bring it right back?
Don't you, don't you, don't you, uh-huh.
You like the way I tease you a little?
Right, uh-huh.
Or the way I bring it back to the middle?
Right. I just wanna dance. I don't wanna romance, cause I had a man, but he made other plans. It's hard for me to be still when I got all this energy. That's why I find it funny when they ask if they can sit with me. Get with these moves, meet me on the dance floor. Can you handle the rhythm I give you, and can you stand more fast or slow? I go where the beat take me. Can you drive me crazy like the heat make me when I'm in the place, baby?
Maybe.
I gotta find out. Feels like time is running out, and my mind is just about gone too. Woo! What am I to do? Things were running smooth. I think it's time to make a move.
True. Hey,
What's up?
I couldn't help but notice you were starting to slow down a little.
What?
I can help you with that, you know.
Only thing on
Really?
my mind
I think we need to speed it up.
right now. I wanna dance with you all night. I wanna dance with you right now. I wanna dance with you if it's the last thing I ever do. I wanna dance with you all night. I wanna dance with you right now. I wanna dance with you if it's the last thing I ever do. I wanna dance with you all night. I wanna dance with you right now. I wanna dance with you if it's the last thing I ever do. I wanna dance with you all night. I wanna dance with you right now. I wanna dance with you if it's the last thing I ever do.
I don't need you, that ain't what I'm about. No matter what you say or do, I'll be out to get you, but not for revenge. I thought you were my lover, but you wanna be my friend. I don't need another friend that I can talk with, another friend that I can take a long walk with, another girlfriend hanging on my coattails, pretty young thing, all balanced on high heels. What I need is a girl to take home, a girl that won't complain to her posse on the phone. I'm like a bald head that don't need a comb. I don't gather moss cause I'm a rolling stone. Or can you hear me? Won't you take pity on me? Or can you take my hand and step to the city for me? My name is Harv, but you can call me homie. Call me what you want, but don't think that you can own me. Don't think that you're my only hot shorty. Yeah, we had a good time, but you'll never be my only. You make me blind, but I still gotta see you. You make me spend money like my wallet's got diarrhea. Girl, I spend and I spend to no end. You got my net worth on a downward trend. It's all good if I can get you on a downward bend. The message that I send, I ain't looking for no friend.
I should have told you about it. You're gonna tell me something new, but now I wanna be honest, baby. I should have told you you turned me on from the moment you came on to me. You turned me on.
is just a little more than I can give you. I wanna take you home where I am always king when I sit upon my throne. You got me hanging from a shoestring. I got you fitted for a G-string, baby. I want a little fling. You want a wedding ring, like life without parole and sing crazy. You're like a daisy. You're all white and pure, and you're fresh and you're clean, all tight and demure, and your flesh is obscene. You're like a centerfold in my favorite magazine, and I wanna grab hold of everything I see. You make me wanna fold like a hen with one queen. You're ripping me apart like a cheap pair of jeans, like a hand-me-down suit. I come apart at the seams.